In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook Marketplace messages. If you find your Marketplace inbox cluttered with conversations you no longer need, you'll want to know how to tidy things up. Let's get started and walk through it step by step to make sure you can easily follow along. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Facebook homepage. Make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply enter your login details. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a variety of shortcut icons on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Marketplace icon, which looks like a little storefront. Now that you're in Marketplace, it's time to access your messages. Look to the left-hand side once more, and you'll see an option labeled Inbox. This is where all your Marketplace conversations are stored and is the area we'll be working with today. Click on the inbox to open up your message center. Once you've clicked into your inbox, you'll see a list of your ongoing conversations. Take a moment to identify which chat you would like to remove. If you've been buying or selling regularly, this list can be quite lengthy, so don't rush. Look for the specific chat you wish to delete. Hover your mouse over the chat you want to eliminate. Keep your cursor steady over this chat and observe that a few additional icons should appear. One of these will be either a three-dot menu or a gear icon, typically located near the top right of the chat list for that particular conversation. Click on this three-dot menu or gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of options relevant to managing that chat. You're almost there. Scan through this list and select the option labeled Delete. You could think of this as clearing up digital clutter to help maintain a clean and organized message log. Once you've clicked Delete, Facebook will prompt a confirmation message. It's an important step because confirming ensures you won't inadvertently delete a chat you might still need. Look over the confirmation prompt. It might say something along the lines of, "Are you sure you want to delete this conversation? If you're certain you want to remove it, go ahead and confirm." This will permanently delete the conversation from your Marketplace inbox. Following these steps should have successfully helped you delete unwanted Facebook Marketplace messages. Feel free to go through these steps with any other chats you need to remove from your account. With a bit of practice, this process will become second nature, helping you keep your Marketplace interactions streamlined. Thanks for following along today, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful Facebook tips.